Hey there, Halloween enthusiasts! Get ready to steal the spotlight at your next Halloween cosplay party with the Spooktacular Creations Loofah and Soap costume, the ultimate couples costume that combines fun and creativity in one delightful package. This eye-catching ensemble features a vibrant loofah costume complete with mesh detailing and a playful soap bar outfit that will have everyone bubbling with laughter. Designed for adults, this costume duo is perfect for those looking to make a memorable entrance and leave a lasting impression. Crafted with comfort in mind, these costumes are easy to wear, allowing you to dance the night away without a hitch. Whether you're hitting the party scene or just looking to entertain trick-or-treaters, this dynamic duo is sure to be a hit. So, grab your partner and get ready to lather up some fun this Halloween with the Spooktacular Creations Loofah and Soap costume. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.